What I'd like to do now is record another macro. This macro is to open a certain document, and I want it to appear as a button on my Quick Access toolbar. So to record a macro, I'm going to hit the Record Macro button on my Developers tab. I'm then going to give the macro the name Open Long Caption. At this point, I actually want to assign a button to the macro. So I'm going to click the button. I'm then going to click the macro and click Add. I'm then going to click the Modify button and give it the name Open Long Caption Document. And then I'm going to choose a button. So I'll click on this one here and OK. And so I've made a little button on my Quick Access toolbar and I'll click OK. Now I can proceed recording what I want it to do. And what I want it to do is go File and open a specific file. So I have to locate that file. And here it is here, long caption, and I'll click Open. And that's all I want the macro to do. So now I'm going to stop recording. If I go to the Developers tab and click the Stop Recording button, I'll stop recording my macro. If I then close this file, I'll go File and Close. I can test if my button works by hitting the button Open Long Caption Document. When I click this button, it automatically opens the document. To view the macros, go to the Developers tab and click the Macros button, and you'll see you've got two macros. If I click on one of these macros and click Edit, I can see the code. At the end of the day, when you record a macro and a series of actions, this is all written in code in the background. And the code that it's written in is Visual Basics for Applications, or VBA. To edit your code, you need to open up the Visual Basic Editor, and that's what this is. I can see I've got two sub-procedures or two macros. One sub-procedural macro is called Next Page Section Break, and it basically just inserts a break, which is a next page break, and that's how it's written in code. This particular sub-procedure is called Open Long Caption, and what it does is it changes to a certain directory, and then it opens up the file that I was mentioned, and that's what this macro does. So some people will go into here and start editing the code. If I want to close the macro window in the Visual Basic Editor, I'll just hit the X in the top right corner, and I'll be taken back to Word.